The Libbey 55952 Casserole 2-pack offers an excellent upgrade to your kitchen essentials with its spacious 3.2-quart capacity, making it ideal for a variety of recipes. Crafted from fine quality glass, this casserole dish features a stackable design that is both practical and stylish, allowing you to serve your culinary creations with flair. The clear glass construction of these dishes enables you to effortlessly monitor the cooking process, while the included handles ensure safe and easy transport from oven to table. Designed for convenience, these casserole dishes are dishwasher safe, promising a quick and hassle-free cleanup after use. The elegant and versatile design of the Libbey 55952 makes it suitable for both baking and serving, as it is oven, microwave, freezer, and refrigerator safe. Manufactured by Libbey, this casserole set is a reliable and durable choice for any home cook, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal.